Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Yes, everything in this material world, it has got a fixed time. And within that fixed time, there are 6 kinds of changes. First, birth, then growth, then to stay, then to produce byproduct, then dwindling and vanish. This is the law of material nature. This flower takes birth just like a bud, then grows, then stays for 2-3 days, then it produces a seed, byproduct, then dries up gradually, then finishes. You sit down now. So, this is called Sarobikar, 6 kinds of changes. So you cannot stop this by your so-called material science. No. This is avidya. People are trying to save themselves and sometimes talking foolishly that by scientific knowledge man will be immortal. The Russians say like that. So this is avidya, ignorance. You cannot stop the process of the material laws. Therefore, in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Daivi Jaisagunamai Mama Maya Duruttaya. The process of material nature, which is composed of 3 qualities, Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun, Triguna. Another meaning of guna is rope. Just like you have seen rope, they are twisted in 3 processes. First of all, thin rope, then 3 of them they are rolled, then again 3 of them rolled, then again 3, it becomes very strong. So these 3 qualities, Sattva, Raja, Tamaguna, they are mixed up. Again they produce some byproduct, again mixed up, again mixed up. In this way, 81 times they are twisted. So gunamai maya, so it's binding you more and more. So you cannot get out of this binding of this material world. Binding. So, therefore it is called apavarga. This process of Krishna consciousness means nullifying the pavarga process. Yesterday I was explaining what is this pavarga to Bhagavan. This pavarga means the line of the alphabet Pa. You know, those who have studied this Devanagari, there are Devanagari alphabets, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Wa, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Ya, in this way, 5 sets, one line. Then comes the 5th set, comes Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma. So this Pavarga means Pa, first of all Pa. Pa means Parabhav, defeat. Everyone is trying, struggling very hard to survive but defeat. This is first pavarga. Pa means parava. And then pa means fenil. Just like horse, when working very hard, you'll find some foams coming out of the mouth. We sometimes also, when we are very tired, after working very hard, the tongue becomes dry and some foam comes. So everyone is working very hard for sense gratification, but defeat. The pa and bo means this bondage. So first pa, second fa, then bondage, third, then bo. Bo means bhiti, fearfulness. And then mo means mrityu or death. So this Krishna conscious process is apavarga. Apa means none. Pavarga, these are the symptoms of this material world. And when you add this word apavarga, that means it is nullified.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,